Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove subtitles. So I'm just going to go to captions and then I'm going to generate some auto captions real quick. So there are a few ways to remove like auto captions. Or like if you want to like edit them, here's how you can do it. Select the text you want to remove and just press delete. Or if you want to delete everything, just drag this and then press delete. If you want to edit, you're just going to go to captions here and you can like delete it one by one on the right side here. And to edit, you can even go here. And that's pretty much it. You can even add more underneath, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.